Welcome back to the channel. And if it is your first time, make sure say you subscribe.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Hey, it's been quite a while since I've seen you smile. Take time for yourself, or say it's good to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together for now or forever. Yeah, baby, it's on tonight. 'Cause life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. One more again. Hey, you don't need to blame.
Yo, man, I don't know from when the internet was somehow shaky, you know.
I did call Flo yesterday and them must say the bill won't pay, you know. I forgot to tell you.
So the bill one for you.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I think about the babes?
What?
They are pray, sir. But they don't want to go link one of them car mark there and see if we can get one car. Or even one of the little van them, we can go and do some little delivery.
Where you going to deliver?
You know, like when people have no barrel of water and then so we can go do
But
a little quick pickup. I want,
but I know every day people are gonna send barrel and barrel for pick up, that not go work out. I don't
but
think that
any
gonna
little
work out.
removal, babes.
Me feel like if you just get one normal car, feel like if me I go so because the van thing and fi do that. You know, it a go take a time for build what you do.
So babes, we can take out the stuff them when time we want to go know where me are driving at the one same way, you know.
Well, it don't really
Until
matter.
we can buy a car for personal use, but we don't want remember saying no man, if you buy a car now, you know, you have to go pre so you have to go insure you every time and
But
where
you
money
have to
will
go
come
insure the
from.
van too.
Yeah,
You
but
have to
where money
insure the
will
van.
come from?
Yeah, I understand what you say. But anything work. The van will work too because if we're gonna we still can drive here and go where we want to go.
Yeah, and you have space around about that too. We can put a little mattress around there, you know. Just in there.
Move man, you like too much foolish.
Just give me
Move on.
someone.
Sure.
Hi guys, welcome.
Them they are
No, sir.
torment me.
What?
Nothing you good?
Kevin Ogan.
Yeah, man.
You not glad to see me?
Yeah, that's true, man.
That's your who from only decide for date each other. Only thing me I do a third wheel, you know. Third wheel, me a third wheel. Oh.
I'm glad to see you, man. I know you're always welcome, you know, but yes. Good on you, good.
So as me come, you want to go to the road? No,
As
alright. You can go and come.
I was about to do something with my wife, I come in and now me can't bother, so me have to just go do what I'm gonna do.
Alright, but understand, but understand.
Look at more.
Alright. Girl. No, alright, you go first.
See, that's all like my name is talk. And I don't know where you get this idea from. I come to my boy, I go buy a van.
For the what?
But for go off, like if people are buy for pick up a off and them something there.
Pick up Chuck and go party?
He can't girls, I just have to agree with him, but I know I nah make him do that. So you what me want you to do for me. You know the little car mark we down Amity down there, sir?
The bigger one?
No. The one before. Anyone, because I know say it two of them reasonable. So I want you go over them or you check out the markets them for me. Right?
Yeah.
Because I don't know where I go with Tonja van. What that can do, that can skate pan tool?
When?
But I don't know.
When Puncha can skate pan tool. Me I gonna get here just to go fix my ear because you know this can't get me
Right,
no
right.
man. This
Right. I know you're a
done.
girl from long time, so I know that things are for going for you.
Listen,
So I want you to do it after you come back or before you go, right?
Yeah, I send me out.
Girl, look how much time you send me out.
You can't send me out. But when me dep on my way, anytime when me and pass, as long as it's on my way going to where I'm going, I will stop and I will come back and let you know. Maybe I can find a look rich
You know,
man.
so that's why you want to go, you know. But
What
anyway,
to stop me? Money man always there in place there.
for true. But girl, later me and Kevin are going to you know, want to come.
Who for come? No, me don't want to come. I don't want to come. All in the do make me feel like on third wheel. I am not coming.
When since you feel like third wheel
Every
now?
time when I kiss up, I just did a wait for my rich husband to come say aye.
Girl, so want to the man where me see you with what you can't bring him and come.
Bring which man? Me and him cut ties long time.
Why?
He's not my type. Him broke. Can't give me nothing.
Anyways, you can't tell me say you not come, but me go Kevin have one friend. Want me
Him
say
have
to
money?
know? Girl, me don't know. Me not
So
invest
why
in
you want
her.
to set me per man and have money?
So now you fi find out at the part them me not invest in
No,
her friend
you
them.
find out if I'm my type person, then they say, alright,
Are your type? Are your type?
See one guy.
Are your
here.
type? But me don't know about the money part, but your type.
He can't be my type if he not have money, Momo.
When Kevin come back, I'm going to ask him. See,
No, I'm good. No, me
You
no
know,
want to set
come.
me upon a broke man.
he boy not broke, he boy I want drive. I think I want white Audi, I don't remember.
Well, say less. You can give me a number. You can give me a number.
You know, see, you don't want a broke man, suppose him broke.
Adi, or if you drive Adi and broke, or am I maintain anything? You have to
You
have
don't
money
know
for
if I
drive
loan
Audi.
him a pay. Anyways,
Yeah, mess up my brain. You want to introduce me to the man or not?
Yeah, come.
If boy have money, come in not third with
You
you.
will in drive on Audi, so obviously you have money, so come.
Okay.
So go and go to your ear and check out this something for me before time run out.
Give me one, because you're going to with me.
Later, they'll check out this something and call me.
But I gotta check it out and tell Kevin some say. Me I gotta do it for you. Alright?
Remember, me can't tell him, and I mean, I check it out for. Now I'm going to tell him, say, check out
You
markets
have
and
money
I
to buy
turn giant tell
markets?
him.
And Kevin buy it.
But I turn giant tell him to look for.
Later.
Girl, later.
Some nights I don't know why I can't lift myself off the floor. It's so damn bad, I feel I'm sinking. So many times I've tried to give you something more.
So, come to your friend, I can't see her now.
She just texted me, man. She said she the right when the car now come. So she's so range.
Okay.
No,
I thought they so long.
she not go this way like that. So she a come.
Okay.
And I afford about that. But anyway, see she a come.
Wow.
Hi, baby.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let me get a chip. Let me give you my chair. Get one for myself. Yeah.
So we are drink.
Excuse me, please. Leave that to me, right?
Okay, my bad. Sorry.
I'll take care of that.
Cool, do it then. Sorry. That's that. You don't know check out from friend and thing, but if you insist, okay.
What you have on, please?
What you are doing?
Warm cream.
Rum cream.
Rum cream? Alright, I'll be back shortly.
Okay.
Girl, this is a good boy.
What good have to do with money? Anyways.
So yeah, go on it, girl.
No, my dear, me say a traffic but me run late.
You look good, man. I'm not tell a lie.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, compliment. my to-be lady.
No, so no,
What you
no, no,
doing?
no.
What
No
you
go
mean?
violation.
What you mean that? Don't do that.
Friend, we'll have a compliment her.
But I mean, they can't compliment her, but for me,
Anyways, let's go. We leave them to it. Let them get to know each
Yeah, man.
other. Enjoy yourself.
Okay.
yeah, man, get out of here, man.
Come.
I must say, you're looking fantastic. Trust
Well,
me.
thank you.
Yeah, so beautiful.
So what's your name again?
Oh, I'm Romeo.
Okay, well, I'm Mercedes.
I thought you were going to say Juliet. Juliet?
Yeah, I'm jokes. No, I'm Mercedes.
That's a very big name.
It is, and I'm living up to it.
Wow.
Okay, so
Well, it's evident. It's evident.
well, thank you.
Yes.
So are you drop them down here?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so that means I can drop me off, right?
Sure.
But I did see a car on my way in.
It's the white car right at the entrance.
That one white car alone, me see out there, and the old one.
Look.
That's yours?
My gosh. So you're calling my car an old car?
No, that could be yours. Me just I said the white car when me see I just not the one where you drive.
That's the car. So, is it a problem? Like, for me to own that type of car?
I mean, you did say I have a big name, and I did tell us me I live up to it, so like, I carry the drive around in that.
Oh.
Don't be offended, me just be honest. You know, I never really want to expect, but it's fine. I can make the best of it. Alright, are you okay for this, sir?
Yes. But I need just $500 extra.
Yeah, joke? Are you joking?
No, I only brought it my 1,000. So when you said you need rum cream.
Mm-hmm.
So when I ordered it, they told me it's 1,500.
Yeah, I feel a joke because my friend asked me what me I drink and you tell her say you would deal with it. Now we are split the bill, me not understand.
I'm just saying, you know, I thought it was about like $600 or something. So
Yeah, but it doesn't matter normally when you go out and you really have them tight budget there. Your budget too tight. What if you someone something to eat?
alright, let me check.
No, it's fine. I'll pay for it. It's okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry about that.
Girl, one thing with her house done is always cool and nice.
So true.
So girl, what happened to the man who got on the date with one night? Me no see you with him or nothing I hear you talk about him. Wow.
You don't rate me now?
What me do?
No, you can't rate me and do me that.
Do you what?
You tell me say the man he have money and he drive a nice car, right?
Which is right.
Girl, you set me up for feel.
Me I talk about feel me because obviously me have something me no I go on me no know
The
about.
boy broke and him Audi one of the old time Audi them maybe I come from 2006.
You
Me no know.
lie.
Me look like me a smile?
But me no know that.
The boy broke like him broke and the whole time me I say, are you a pay for your drinks? Him I say, me figure it out.
Yeah.
Figure out what? What you mean I figure it out?
Say
Yeah.
God no.
You supposed common sense. If you carry one girl on one date, are you a pay for the food? Are you a pay? Why you go think say me go pay for the bill? Me never asked to go out with you. You wanted to come.
You can't really blame me. Cause as me I tell him, me never really know nothing about him. Me just know say Kevin they always a talk about him and him seems like
No, you set me up too much because when we are talking, you never sure of the conversation, you know. You never sure what you tell me. You the son can me not laugh, mama.
Me not laugh at you. You come and say me say you up for feel like I said me
Then they
know
go
this
say,
a
oh, me
person.
not hear you say nothing. Me not say nothing because my heart hurt.
Alright,
Me
I'm
waste
sorry.
my time,
I'm
waste
sorry.
my outfit, me waste everything.
See you enjoy yourself.
No, because all in my head, what kind of broke man this year try to set me up with?
Girl, me sorry. You can't really blame me. You can't blame me. Me sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Me sorry.
No, you owe me one rich man for true.
Me must you go pick him off a chick account. You see me put on rich man?
You don't have no more friends.
Me not.
As a matter of fact, me know why you find a man give me. Me we
Right,
find them by
which is
myself.
right, which is
Yeah,
right.
you know worry about me. Me alright.
By the way, you're not gonna look on the car or something for me.
Which care? Oh, rotted.
Yeah, you're
Me
about
never.
something.
No, me never remember for you. Me too busy trying to find one man.
Probably you go down there, you find one man, you don't know.
No, me I think about it. But normally when you go down them place, a woman assist you.
No, you have man too. Man always done that too. Mainly the man them outside and the woman them in the office.
But me no know. Me supposed to go on the road the weekend, so me I go down there. Why you? Why you not go?
Cause me not remember say Kevin I tell me, I have to explain that to you.
Yeah, why you be rude to me?
Does you do it for me or not?
Yeah, me with it. But me just I wonder
I'll
like
make sure
yeah,
you're
majority.
not tell Kevin to me tell if we go look for markets. Cause I know markets he might tell me about.
No, why would I tell Kevin that? But really and truly though, why you would want the van? Like our investment.
It's an investment, yes, but me a hot girl, you know. Me don't want nobody see me in a van.
But it's a brand new think about one brand new Tonja.
And another big Jeep van them I'm talking about.
It look regular.
I the little regular one them.
Me not wrong you take the one.
Right. No, I damn ugly van.
Investment can't stay for now.
Right.
When you're broke, no call me. Because I shall find a rich one, you know.
No, sir.
This is nice. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
How may I help you?
Oh, you own the place?
No, not really. No, I'm just responsible for the car. You know?
Oh, okay, good. Because some of my friends who wanted to know about some markets that we saw when we were passing by. I think this was it. Or it was a black one, I'm not sure. But she wanted to know the price for our markets.
A Mark X? Any specific year?
Honestly, I don't know. She just told me to check out the price.
Okay. I can help you out. Okay, so I don't know if this is the one your friend is talking about, but this is a Mark X, and it is a 2014.
Okay, what's the price on it?
So this one is going for 2.5, and it's on sale right now. So if your friend is serious, I can give her my business card.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, and you guys can contact me. Yeah.
So is a personal number on it?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You can reach me at any time, you know?
Okay, cool. I'll let you know.
Yeah, man. So,
We need one next one too.
the next
Just
one?
in case, yes.
All right. Man, this thing is so tight.
So,
Yeah, here we go.
are you taking?
From taken? In what way? What do you mean?
Like, you're not married, right?
No, I'm not married.
Okay.
Why?
No, I like your fragrance and your outfit. You look nice.
Yeah? Oh, thank you.
You smell so good.
Yeah. I try my best to keep myself update to attract the customers, you know?
I can see, well, you
Yeah,
are
man.
attracting me right now.
All right. You have my number?
Okay, and I can give you a call anytime, right?
Oh, yeah. You can give me a
Anytime?
call. Anytime.
All right, nice to meet you.
All right,
What's
nice
your
to
name?
meet you.
Sheldon.
Sheldon.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Why you look working on house like a for me and you?
What can be like?
In Ghana, come.
Tell them some look about the car, and the man say they have more than one available, and the one when you show me for 2.5.
I never know you said you go down there for real.
People I'm going to do it.
So why you so excited? I don't understand.
Be someone. And he look like he have money. Me assume because him own the car, right? And the place full of cars, so why would have money?
So yeah, we care about that for now if him monitor him just to work there.
Me assume, you know, you must me assume. It no matter.
Yeah.
You know you have money.
You can't just assume them there's something there so.
Girl, we are talk. Me get like 2 calls from him when me I come up and like we talk about so many things and based on the conversation. Him have money. Him have money and I ask you. I said, tell me. And you go bag it.
Say bingo.
Yeah, touch it. My bingo. My bingo. Look at the boy look good enough and him smell.
I don't know what is the car. This is everything where you've been wanting a woman, right? So girl, I'm happy. I'm really happy for you.
I know. We go on a date.
You mean?
It's
So quick?
Yeah, like me I tell you, say I call him. You think me wait? I have no time to wait. I call him when me I come up, and we chat for so long. And I say, he wanna like for bring me out after work, and then
I mean, no, I'm not ask you, yeah, go. Me know, I'm not even have to ask you if you
what
go.
stop me? No, Momo, talk true.
Me know where you go, but just I say, me know where you go.
For girl, why nice man, cause a grown man. When I talk when I little boy, you look good. You look good.
You don't know what to say to your girl because this is so nice.
Ah,
Me not go for what you want. Go for it, right?
exactly what I'm doing.
And you know me there for support you right through, right? Right.
Okay.
Right.
You know, Samir say jerk chicken is some nice, you know?
Yes, it's good.
Yeah?
Me eat it already. It's
Okay.
alright.
Alright, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. My sister this a text me now. She left on the way.
Okay. She cool?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I love her. Yeah, she's super excellent, you know?
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good, cause normally in-law them not really nice. You know?
Oh, trust me, once I'm happy, she's nice.
Hi.
Hey, sis, what's up?
How's going? Hi, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
I heard a lot about you, you know.
Yeah, so
Hopefully good things.
let me properly introduce you that I've been telling you about. So you guys can exchange words and talk to see where each other energy are, you know? So Brooke, this is Mercedes. Mercedes, this is Brooke, my lovely sister.
It's a pleasure meeting you. Okay. All right, let me tell you something now, bro.
Mhm.
Me never come to stay, you know. Me just come to introduce myself because you did a tell me about her and me did want to meet her face to face.
Alright.
Anyway, me dey on a run. You can enjoy yourself. Me I go one bingo party down the road.
So you not stay for your drink?
Next time, man. Go and do your thing later.
Alright.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
All right.
You know you must be wondering why I'm bringing you to the riverside.
No man, I know say spontaneous and romantic, you know. You know your thing set up already, you know? Yeah man, I really like this.
Okay, so I met you,
Mm-hmm.
I fell in love,
Yeah?
and I know you feel the same way,
Oh yeah.
right? And every time I see my eyes skip a beat, me get a little rush there.
Yeah?
And I was hoping to feel like that forever. So I was open and taking the next step with you.
Alright.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, Sheldon Stones, will you marry me?
Yes.
We could set the wedding date in April.
April?
Yes, April makes sense, and that's enough time to put everything together.
You sure so that's enough time for we get everything organized, get our the bridesmaid and everything.
Yes, listen,
get them
don't
ready and-
overthink it. You're just one bridesmaid and a momo. Who's gonna be your best one?
I know that's it. We don't really have no best man still now.
That's
But
fine.
but I think about my sister for being the best one.
Bro?
Yeah man. Bro.
Okay, I guess that works. Just like I said, don't overthink it. April is more than enough time. We're not for nothing big. Just let's get it over with and done.
You sure?
Yes.
I'm excited about that.
Me too.
I'm ready, you know. Alright? I'm ready to spend the rest of my life with you.
I am ready too.
Alright? I know you don't have to worry about nothing. We're gonna be there for each other, alright?
I know.
Alright, sweetie. Looking more beautiful every time we get closer and closer. So, sis, you know, say the insurance for the car up.
Yeah, me know say it up by now because them did call me about it, you know. Payment kind of late, but you don't know, so me can start it out. All you have to do is just give me the paper and make me sort it out, cause my name it in.
Yeah, man. Make sure so you get them before tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you alright?
Yeah, I'm good enough.
By the way, sis, you know, I have some good news for you. Yeah, man. You know, say Mercedes, she proposed to me.
What?
Yeah, man. She's proposed to me, man.
Mercedes proposed to you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, listen to me. You're my brother. You need to use the head. You hear me? Use the head more carefully and more unique. Because you see them young girl out the road nowadays, they just want to see in one nice car, one nice Jeep,
Yes, sis, but
crisp vehicle. As long as they in a one vehicle, they're not even business for years. I wonder if the vehicle them where they drive, she believes they are your one.
no, man. She just love me for who me is, you know.
So where you say she do propose? Where you say
Syria, you know,
she
man.
proposed to you?
Yeah, see it, yeah.
So me not understand
Sis,
this. Bro, listen. Why me say if you use the head more wisely? More wiser and something? Because me never hear this from me, born, you know. No woman not supposed to propose to no man. Are the man supposed to propose to the woman?
sis, come on.
So me not understand. Oh, you do not propose to Mercedes and she proposed to you. Me not get it.
Sis, a modern time now, you know, man.
Hmm.
Woman now wait for a man to propose to them nowadays, you know.
And what you say?
Me I tell them, man, I'm foreign all about so them thing they set up right now.
So you like then kind of modern time style there.
Yeah, sometimes you have to kind of balance out, you
Yeah, my
know.
brother, but me not tell you no lie. Friend, few weeks ago me find out say I make woman a turn in a one idiot.
No, sis, man.
Yeah. And me I tell you the truth. Nobody not here, I just me and you in here so.
Mm-hmm.
Me need to talk to you from when. Me not understand you. Remember the last time you come tell me about one girl? Oh, she this and she that and you take out too much money and spend it on her. Where she do now? Foreign. Where she do? Married to another man. And I same thing she did do to you. Propose to you. So you come like I say, you born for woman propose to you. You idiot or you fool? Which one?
No, Brooke, no, no, no. I made it propose to her. And it never worked out. So now may I try the other way around.
If see
You
what?
know?
If see if you can work out?
It have a work out. I
Ah.
feel it.
Well, it up to you, you know. It's your choice. It's not a child. You're a big man.
Sis.
But remember, say me and your sister, me never tell you nothing stupid yet. No foolishness, me not tell you. And every time I tell you something, I saw it always work
Me
out.
know, man. Me know. But
I
guess what?
use she, I use you.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
Sis, listen. You just need to get to know her. I say once you get to know her, you're gonna like her. You know? So just give her a little chance. Just give her a little chance and you will see for yourself.
Okay.
Alright? You
All
know, say,
right.
you always got me back, you know. So I want you have me back panda in a deep.
So, like how you engage, I went at the wedding cause you know me, your sister, me did it for you, me always help you, me support you with the wedding and everything. All you have to do just tell me when and when. So me go in at the bridal party or what? What me go be?
And you're gonna be my best woman.
Okay. All right. But can't say me never did a one you, you know?
Alright, sis.
Anyway.
Thanks.
Hey, Mercedes.
Oh, go on.
What you do over here, so?
No, me away from my best friend. Why you over here?
Must have lunch, me come eat. Hey, I'm not here from you look like a dash, bro, man.
No, I'm not dash your way yet, at least.
What do you mean not yet? That don't sound too right.
Because we can't really do that sneaky link something there no more.
Joe thing you left on, no, man. Yeah, well, I saw like a style, Mr. Man.
I don't know like that,
So,
but
what happened? What happened? What happened?
me talk about settling down and thing, right? I'm meet a little man and he's serious about me, so me say why not? And we're gonna get married and stuff.
That don't sound like you, because I know say you nah just settle down for any boy say, unless they have some money.
Well, exactly. Meet the man whom they always want, so we are go feet and I'm happy.
So you say my money?
Yeah.
I'm sure you have like a payments. It's a long time me a liar, you know. And enough case pass through my hand and enough experience me have. You know what you can do? Marry to him, man. If you really have money, marry to him. And all you do, just give marriage a little time. And then divorce him and get everything we have. Simple as that, you know.
Well, I never really did that think about that. You know, me just really did that go for the money. Come on, you know. I just really did that go for the money. I mean, I said to marriage won't work. And if it don't work, it don't work. But we still would get something at the end. I never really did that think about that.
Yeah, man, I easy swear that still. And think about me linking again. You know, we have a little good thing going on. So, enjoy your lunch date with your best friend and think about it, man. Think about us linking again. And you ready? 5,000 instead of 500. So, have lunch on me, alright?
Okay.
Alright, yeah, man.
Girl, why you put the L in a late? Girl, I can't wait to tell you all of the story them.
No more for something. But me now want to come off. One way a little bit. Realize now we are coming here, you just a smile, you just a glow, something different. Like when you hear me so
I'm not always a smile, I'm not always happy.
but you look extra happy. What when you hear me so fine.
I'm always an extra smile and extra glowy. But there's a little twist, right? So you remember Shalom?
Okay, we're going to talk about other people.
We're still going for one strong. And I am no longer his girlfriend. We're getting married.
In propose?
No,
So how you and your girlfriend no more? I don't understand.
because me do it. Me go down for my one year and my ask. And he said, we mean.
Where is it? We just say you good about what?
You want me to tell you again? We went to the river because that's his favorite place. And I went down on my knee and I popped the question and he was happy. He said yes.
In all my years as when me depend her, I've never heard of nobody going down and ask one somebody me know that.
And I, ooh.
Jazz, and yeah, of course what you say is, but we are joining the trend for. Yeah, idiot.
Girl, listen, relax. Relax.
Yeah, you have to look at
Relax.
yeah, you become most joke.
It doesn't matter if I'm a female or not. It's my man. I really like him. As a matter of fact, I love him because he have everything women need. He possesses all of the qualities that I've been searching for. The man have money, he smell good, he look good. He's so nice. So why me go sit down and wait for him to propose? Look how long you're in your relationship. No offense. You sit down and wait for Kevin, though?
Upset.
No, but me I show you, if you did wait, you would have become a wife already.
Oh.
Me tell you say me go bag him and I did. So why you not happy?
I say this. I'm happy for you. Don't get me wrong, I am totally happy. I mean, I agree with me. But like me decided you fall through this, right?
But
What
what?
I say? Me know you. I do know me. Look how long we know each other. Me know say you don't like this man. You know say the car, the money, the everything is. Otherwise from love. Put it love aside, but you see what the man have, me know that you have for me. You can't tell me.
Listen to me. Of course, you know, the first time I could come tell us I love him or I like him like that. I like him now, I just, you know, we could give a little more time for me fall in love. But you know, matter because down the line, we're going to have something special, you know, as time progress.
So like, me not judge you, me not judge you, me not judge you. So, you say you propose, okay, yeah, I am happy for you. But you try to make it look like because you propose, you should have got this here.
I am definitely not, no, girl, what are you talking about? I am not saying that. You say a man do it, and me say, we talk about becoming wives, right?
Right.
If you did go to Kevin and say, babe, will you? And him say, yeah, you would have be a wife already.
Me nah,
But you sit down and wait upon Kevin, you not gonna
because
happen.
that's the way it's supposed to go. Kevin supposed to get on him one year and show me say,
Just watch if you're gonna get married anytime
well,
soon.
make it stay. Make it somebody will. If Kevin no, somebody will.
Well, I guess we have two different goals because I saw it, I wanted it, and I go for it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mercedes, okay. Squash this argument. Me put have ice cream, whatever. It's cool. Me happy for you
It's
again.
fine. I'm so happy that you're happy.
So I have me hour.
Goodbye to me.
What most?
What for stop here?
Me not ask you
What
about.
for stop here? As a matter of fact, you're the maid of honor.
Hey, talk to me nice. What do you want me?
There, man, where you going?
Me there.
You just have come up.
Yeah. Same have something to tell you.
Mm.
You know say me and Mercy the depot we look at date and thing, you know, but auntie.
Mm.
Only for she tell me say she get engaged.
You mean engaged? Who could answer when you mad for real? Say them about engaged Mercedes. They know what kind of problem you want to take up on yourself.
Well, it's the other way around though.
What do you mean by?
And Mercy the propose to the man.
Oh, what kind of man that there?
He rich, so she say. She claims say have money and he own one car mad. Well, that's just that. Me no know if that a fool her.
One white man?
No, a regular Jamaican man.
Something alright because
A the money.
I must eat okay already my man own because that girl there.
She a tell me say oh she a go for what she wants. So you know Mercedes not the relationship and she not do them or something there. So either the money or the bag of car them a fool her.
Is that just hope say if you in this with this man, you know, go they got teeth nothing. Cause last time, you know, man, I pop on the hand come from up up a port like this. Gone up with the man, you know.
It's what be? We have said this and we have said that. We proud of her, you know. I'm glad for her. But the real thing is look how long with it. Look how long with it. And you tell me say you make Mercedes when I really want nothing no man or nothing can't do this before you.
This thing, Mercedes must know why what she are doing or what she are going to say into. We have too much things that go right now. It's a car more getting on before we don't mind. I think we can have ring pan finger. See a walk foot. Eh? Then go cut off a finger for cash for goal.
All me know me not do a Mercedes do say. If you know decide to put warring on my finger, me no know how that I go. All me know me
So
now go down on the knee.
so long, let me ask you something. Put aside so we not married.
What?
We not live good.
Yeah, but if you show you look appreciation, say you really love me, you just put on the ring and make everybody say yes, you really love me.
So me not appreciate you look how much time me have for your work, you foot them and them say
Nobody not say that, but when you put the ring on my finger, we plan a wedding, I will marry, everybody come and they enjoy themselves. That for sure say yes, one real love the day. You want me to go around and tell people see I rub my foot?
Alright, look. I love you, you know.
I'm Mercedes, what you doing? You good? Love how you style me that day, you know.
No one has said that. You know something never right about your energy.
I mean something right about my energy.
What me do, you never fulfill my expectations.
Like? So explain to me.
Don't feel it, you know. But like
Mm.
my friend should have say, you know, you have stability and you know.
Yeah?
But me not say that. So me just not return back your call.
Such what me drive one whole car. And that's why you do me, sir?
Yeah, me can't take up them crosses upon my head. Me I look for stability. Why am I do that? Me not struggle with no man.
So that means to say, oh, when my friend tell us me drive a Mercedes, it's
Well,
like
she told me
that
say drive a Audi.
one Audi.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you want new Audi. But come here say, you did glad to meet me, you know.
Yeah.
Now you meet me and it's a whole Audi. You're not comfortable with that.
No. I just the truth. You can't feel no way.
So if I drive a new Audi, where do I go? Where do I go?
Everything gonna work out because that mean I can maintain certain lifestyle, I can maintain a vehicle, you know. So it would have work.
It's right now. They make me feel like more run left the country.
No.
I don't know what the female them in the country.
What do you mean? What's that supposed to mean?
Hmm?
You're not supposed to feel away, you know. That's
Why?
me having ambition.
Ambition I call it.
Yes, because you know what, if me take up you where I struggle, that means that me I gonna struggle.
But me not struggle.
You are,
Who tell us
oh,
about
you're
struggle?
not struggle. So why you not
I just left
upgrade
out
the
of my
car?
restaurant a while ago.
And
Go buy me lunch.
what does that say?
Hmm? You know how much people can buy a lunch?
That means you're not hungry.
I'm grateful for that.
Listen, it's fine. Just know me know a style here, no offense, don't take it to heart. It's just that me no want to struggle with no man.
Style, man. Got
Well-
me in mind now. Me and you done the reason already. I will go up on the location and that one. Come on. I feel bad, man.
Put it all you want, put it, it's fine. Me not really owe you an explanation anyway.
Alright. Open the buy a new one and a bother like me again, yeah?
Hi, Rook.
What you mean, hi? How would that me just say about pass me bus right there, so? Me see and them stand up all long. You know how long me I watch you? A bunny I give my brother?
Excuse me. Why you would I think that?
Because me I watch you from a long time. You know how long me out there, so me say me drive come up little closer to make sure I see you. Like seriously?
No, calm down.
Mercedes, you give me brother bun?
No, it's not like that.
So
Calm down.
why you and the next young man stand up so long?
I don't know him. In come and he ask me about the post office. One conversation led to another. And with that talk a little bit, nothing more. I don't know him. Not even know his name.
You sure?
Yes, I don't know him.
Oh, because I was wondering why you stand up so long with somebody that is not your man.
No, sir, I don't know him. He come and he ask me some question and I tell him I don't really know the place like that. He ask me about some place up there, so but one conversation led to another. Like I said, I don't know him. Never seen before.
All right then, no problem. All right, take care.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself for the rest of the day. Okay.
Alright. Hello? Yeah, my outside post office.
Yeah, man, yes. That's up, my boss. Look at more.
You know me hear that voice, so I know it. You know.
I go on and impress.
But you have
Mercedes.
one time road.
Boy, I look for your friend when to, you know.
You're looking for?
I have a bone to pick at you.
What happened?
I heard that you're engaged.
Yes. Well,
Congratulations.
thank you.
Who is this fool?
Wait, what do you? What do you mean?
A Mercedes.
No, run joke there with me.
A Mercedes, you know, man. Remember I said Mercedes, me and a friend long time. You understand? And I know, say, you know, say, I know how you stay.
So, oh, wait.
You know, want nobody, you know, girl.
But then, no one know. Me meet the man of me want.
Oh, so you grew up?
To some extent, you can call it that.
Well, so I really something or for the love or for the money, which one?
Both.
Right now, a problem you put me in, you know.
What do you mean?
Right now, Momo, because of you and this engagement thing, you make Momo come tell me about why me not married to her.
Ah, boy. So, mom never tell me such a feel no way when me that tell her.
No, and like I don't know where she feel no way. She just come home and I say, what's about me? Why me can't married? And I like, I don't know that she feel no way about. You understand?
Jaja.
I good. But you're not ready for the married yet. And we have so much things that go on.
Yeah, mom what talk for 7 years ago.
And we actually a common law.
And you would tell me, say, you know, what you are weird part, mind you, out the road I do things, you know.
No man, me not do nothing man, but you don't know marriage is a different thing, you know, man. And you have to be ready.
That's you.
You understand? And you might get married right now and tomorrow the person change. Because just in the
That no
circle
matter
of the
to
ring.
me.
The circle of the ring can change people, you know.
That no matter to me, because me and you just said, you know when me and married for already.
All right.
Me not lose. Me not
Alright.
have nothing
Just
to
remember me if you make nothing, you know, remember me, you know, because me, I come from afar. And enough time when me did that driver used to take me taxi and tell me I go give me gas money and
True,
I
I
know
true,
me no get nothing.
I know. Jump in the road and me I come up back, I know.
I'll be more than mad, me come take your friend in yard and then beat you and me come save you. Just remember me. Just remember where good come from, here.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright.
Sis.
You can come inside, man.
Oh God.
Why it take so long? And you see just right out there, so.
I traffic on the road, man.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
I have a surprise for you. My mommy tell up on the phone. Alright, close your eyes. Don't look, you know, until you hear me come and say, open up your eye
Sis,
them.
what make you always doing something to
Just
me,
shut
man?
up
Chill
here,
out.
man.
Alright.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Shut up here. No matter people, you know, you're going to too original. Ta-da! Nice
Really, sis?
shoes. Alright. You like it. See, they look good.
You remember my size?
Look on the suit. Bud. Uh-huh. Nice. Of course, me know your size. When me feel my brother don't know your size.
You know my color too, you know?
And I first me I buy clothes to you, so stop talk like me don't know your size.
Bright
Are your
blue.
favorite color that blue?
You know what's that color I dream about last night?
Mm-hmm.
Sis, you always got me back, you know, man.
So you can buy the number
Woo.
we have for blue today.
Thanks, sister. Me really appreciate this, man.
Mm-hmm.
You always have me back. That's why I have to love you, so, you
You
know?
look like you have it on already and you don't put it on yet. Me just know your size, so cut to fit.
Boy, sis, me feel like I want to cry, I swear.
No bother ball. Sit down and let me talk to you.
I
Just put it on
yeah,
here.
but they
So.
want to crush up.
No, wait.
Thanks,
This
sis.
can go right this one. Let's see. Alright, guy. Yeah, I'll go sitting there already, you know, and steam press and everything, you know, say nice
See
and
that,
crisp.
man?
Yes, so what I going for you? Oh, everything.
Everything good, yo. The wedding plan, I go on good and everything. Yeah, man, everything I play right out, you know?
Yeah.
And see, you come surprise me this suit. Feel appreciate it. So, what going with you?
Boy, me have to tell you something, me really happy for you, me not tell a lie.
Thanks, sis.
Glad say I go settle down on everything
Full time.
and stop run up and down. Cause you want piece of gigolo for a long time, you know, but me can't make you girl them know where you talk to.
Me,
Anyway,
Gigalo.
you used to do that something, maybe you stop now. Anyway,
If you got me a twin.
nobody talk about it.
Okay, all right.
Anyway, this is very important what me I go say to you. I want you to listen to me keenly.
Mm-hmm.
And don't take what me I say. Fi fool or granted or think say me a idiot and a stupidness me a chat. It makes sense.
Okay, sis.
Just listen to me carefully. You still like how you got married?
Mm-hmm.
I want you make your wife to be when she, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Cause you know, say you're not, you know, like, you understand.
Yeah.
Make she sign a prenup.
Prenup?
Prenup, you know what prenup mean? When
Huh?
time somebody go marry somebody and they make them sign prenup, that's, you know?
Sis, me not nothing for do prenup,
What you
man.
mean? You don't have nothing to sign up prenup. All of the vehicle them where they drive, you no know say when you married her, she can claim them, carry a court, and you can't tell judge say no, me can't hear that. You hear that? If the judge not say everything where you have a fear, should they say half of everything where you have a fear?
Even though I hear stuff,
It
and
no
then I hear name.
matter. Me have the same last name. You can't say no
Well.
fear, you can't say a liar they tell and everything. Sign up, make him sign a prenup. Make she do it. Because me not say every woman say so, you know, because me a woman too, you know. So I no bash me a bash out pan a woman, you know, but in a real life, this vice versa. Cause if me go married now, the man have to sign prenup. Me not run no jokes. You have to
Alright.
serious around here. You understand? Because people come in your life just to come claim things, receive things, as soon as they get you gone, that gone with another man. So think about what me I say to you. Prenup, me say, what you say?
Alright, sis. I'll listen to you. I go sleep on this one tonight.
You hear what she name? Mercedes. And you see the vehicle them where you drive?
Yeah, that's
Master,
true.
you better be careful of where you do. Sign up a prenup.
Alright.
Me know why when you go to her, you know, You just dash it on her, so
No,
just
no.
talk to her nice and everything and not make it look like a no problem, Just talk to her calm and like you talk about some other something. You can carry her out for dinner. Any little thing buy her one ice cream, whatever. Me give you the money, make you say whatever you want to do, just tell me. Me give you the money and make she feel nice and comfortable, then you tell her about it.
All right, sis. Now I take your advice.
Yes.
Yeah, work on it, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. All right then, sis.
Take care.
I take your advice, all right?
I'm happy for you.
Thanks.
Hope everything work out the right way you want it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right, thanks a
Yeah,
lot,
take
eh?
up your jacket and nobody nasty it up. You want the plastic to put over it back? No, you know when you go in a car, just hang it over it, run it back this up and it's something.
Yeah, man. Me do
Yeah.
that. Make sure it's good.
But that's scratch it up,
No, sis. No, man.
Okay.
Can't do that. All right. Thanks, eh?
My brother at boy, I'm going to look nice and Chris, you must be the nicest. That the wedding day, no man nothing can dress hotter than you are married later.
Hey.
You buy a suit?
No, say, I broke by me them. Yeah, man.
What you mean? So you never tell her, say, me and you want to pick out the suit and...
Yeah, but she said she want involved, so she surprised me,
See?
You see?
It's nice. It look expensive.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, baby. Yeah, man. And she get me a shoes, too, Check out the. See?
These look expensive.
Yeah, man. Them nice, man. Try them on something and trust me, they fit perfect, baby. Take them out there, where? Yeah, man.
So, when we gonna look for my dress?
Before we get into the whole marriage and everything, I was thinking. But I think about a little prenup.
What you mean I didn't think about it?
Yeah, man. Some people they always do prenup, so.
Yeah, but that's for them, not for we, eh? You don't love me.
I love you, man, but
And I love you more, so why we need one prenup?
I just think that I best thing for you and me, so we can be on the safe side.
How will that be the best thing for me? I can't believe you even think about that.
Well, if you really love me like that, you shouldn't even make it be a bother to you.
But if you really love me genuinely, you would have bring up that. So me feel so disrespected. Like, what you think this is?
All right, baby. It's not disrespectful or anything,
Well, it's disrespectful to me. Like you come in with a suit, my happy say I get the stuff together for the wedding, and then they come throw this for me. Why you wanna do that? Why you want that? Why?
I just think we should do a prenup.
Sheldon, I feel disrespected. Like, look on this. You see this?
Yeah, me see it.
You see it, right? You know how much money me pay for this? I save you all of the trouble and me go down on my 2 knees and I dash on my pride and my dignity for this.
You mean 1 knee, babes?
Stop taking me for joke. I'm not joking. Why you would have suggest that? This is so disrespectful to me. It's like you not even love me. You know what? I don't even want to think all of that. I need that minute.
My sister, man.
Hey bro, what's up?
That thing where you show me the prenup. So I mentioned it to her right now. I tell her say she mad.
Yeah.
Right now she really vexed with me, sis. Right now, I tell her honest truth. Yeah, man. And as a matter of fact, just try if you can stay away from the relationship.
What you mean? What you mean when I say that?
Yeah, man. So, yeah, she work it out. We love each other and everything. And the prenup thing, she get really upset and now she walk out and gone.
Alright. Anything when I say?
Thanks for your support and everything, but the relationship part, let me work on that. All right?
You say me if you come out of your relationship, me go come out of your relationship. Me will leave you alone. But guess what? Just remember say, me are still your sister and me love you same way.
All right, sis. Love you.
Whatever. Yeah. Me understand. Everything good.
You've been broke.
Evelyn.
So, your brother, my man, my fiance, come home to me and he must say he want to do a prenup. Yeah, the last person you talk to, me no know if him having another friend who ain't close to like that for sit down and tell him about prenup. Or another friend who know about relationship like that to the extent where you know. So, me assume say you tell him. And if you do that, that is wrong. Because you don't know how much me love and care for your brother.
Yes. And me tell my brother about prenup.
Respectfully, woman to woman, right? Why you don't like me? You meet me one time and decide say, I want to take everything your brother have?
Why you believe say I do not like you?
Yeah, because you convince your brother say, you convince your brother for the one prenup. So obviously you think bad of me.
That mean me don't like you?
Yes.
I don't like me not like you.
What are the reason?
Me don't like the mindset where you have.
And what are the mindset you have?
I just, let me tell you see the mindset where you have, my spirit just not take it. Me just have a strong feeling, say, things where you see my brother with, and things where you see my brother do, yeah, they go offer. Whether I go so or not, that is what I believe. That is my thought, my opinion. Me they tell you, I don't hate me hate your girl. I don't hate you. You don't do me anything. Me just know say I have some woman out there, so we are real down to earth woman, honest woman, and you have some gold digger. Just want to see man with them things. You understand? So he's my brother, my only brother. So me have to try to protect him.
See anything me want done to earth, man? You don't feel like I love your brother?
I do not know and I did not say. It's my brother, so me have to look out for
So
him.
obviously you put things in my head. I know you're going making start look at me different. I mean, I appreciate that.
Do not get me wrong, please. My only brother, and me have to did a him every step in life. Some would have want him to live a happy life. Me don't want him to go married and sad. So I only said to him, which is not wrong. I said to him, he need to make you sign a prenup.
Maybe if you leave him relationship alone, him old enough to know what you want and what you want to do. This really and truly have nothing to do with you. Respectfully.
I see now. I see. No wonder why him. Okay, all right. Make it stay there. So, all right. Anyway, me leave him relationship. Me go leave him relationship.
Thank you. Finally, we can be at peace now. Because I don't know why you would have corrupt in your head.
So, baby, so me carry you out here tonight to apologize to you about the whole prenup thing and the whole situation that happened today. Right, so I never really me come up with the idea of prenup, you know. So it was my sister.
So why your sister don't like me?
No man, that's that man. My sister like you. She just a look out for me. So tonight, want us to have a very good night and enjoy ourselves. Okay, baby? Alright. Yeah, man. Cheers. Oh, bartender, can I have a drink, please? Yeah, man. So how was the day today?
It's better now.
Better now? Okay, baby.
It's been quite a
More life.
since I've seen you smile. Take time for yourself, or say it's good to be you. Been so
Yeah, man, me there, man. You better tell us, say, want start out my vehicle.
Well, you know, say, Trim go get married. Me tell him saying can take little time, you know. We go start out in wedding plan. And me alone there, say, you know.
Boy, you shouldn't tell me, man, because I not even know if I'm married. Like you mean tell me, I'm a big friend. You couldn't tell me if I'm married?
So you really don't know?
No, sir, so I lucky girl.
Let me show you our pass. Wait there, go on there. Here there. Wife to be.
Then,
She's going to be my sister-in-law.
then hold on, bro. You know that girl, eh?
You know what?
Yeah, I know, sir, she was married too.
This one, sir. I feel him choice, you know. So, yes.
I will miss her, I know her, you know.
When I say you know, like, you know, used to work at one place or what?
Me not really busy in people things, man. I'm not trying to mash up the relationship. But your brother a good youth, and you better make you know what I want. Yo, that girl, me and she link on a level, you know. Yeah, man, me and she link, man. A girl,
When I say link, what you mean? Like,
I want my girl, them, man. Me and she link.
You and her there?
Well, yeah, we have a little thing at one. Plus, that and a half a problem. You know, say, she tell me, say, anytime she married, cause I never know, say, brother, anytime she married, she have to divorce him and take everything we have.
Jesus. She really said that her you true because you and her did the still
No, me
that
not.
just mash up me mind.
No, she did tell me say she are married, but I had no idea it was a brother. So that she tell me, she said when she married, she gonna just divorce him and take everything for him. But sure, as me say, no say me say still no.
Alright.
Just sort out the papers them and when me can come back for them.
Me I go there here, man. And me I go there. No, remember saying gone doing thing, you know. So anytime you're ready, you can come back.
Alright, so
So I
just
want that one here.
yeah man, another one I want, man. Me like it. New hybrid when I burn enough gas. Alright, so me I go just link you back. So as the paper ready, me search you, alright?
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Hey, baby.
Yes, sis, this is it, you know. Um,
You're looking nice.
yeah, thank you, thank you. My big
Yes.
day, you know you things set. You make it all possible, you know.
You look real nice.
Yeah, man.
But I have something very important to tell you.
Yeah?
I know you maybe you go feel upset or whatever, but the fact still remain you go have to listen and look into what me I say.
Come on, sis, man. Today my big day, man. What you have to tell me right you know?
Anyway,
Come on, sis, man. Spit it out, man. Me can't bother with the bad news and all, man. Today my big day.
alright. Me just I'll tell you and done.
Tell me what?
Hmm. You see how me dey warn you about that girl where you say I got married?
My wife?
Yes. To be. Not yet.
Alright.
Okay. That girl. I don't think she's suitable to be your wife.
Oh my gosh,
I am
sis.
your sister. I cannot choose for you, but if you did listen to me from the beginning, this wouldn't be a waste.
A waste.
Yes.
Me suit?
Anyway, me no want to go into that. See if you can figure out what me I say. You know, say the other day when you take a little time off,
Mm-hmm.
if you go look about your wedding plan, liar burn skin can link me. And him did ask me for you. And me tell him say you are gonna get married. Him say,
Okay.
oh, you never tell him about it. I mean, I understand why you never tell him about it, because we and him a friend from long time.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, so when he asked me who we are married, me take out my phone and show him the girl on the funny thing, yeah, my phone, right? When me show him my phone
Mm-hmm.
and him see the girl, him say, but me know that girl, yeah. Me say, you know her? Where you know her from? He say, one of my long time girl them when me used to do with.
What?
I told me a talk. Let me tell you. Maybe me I say it in a one kind of way and it might look like I make up him. Let me get serious now. Him say wait there. Me know this a girl a long time. I want a long time girl them. Me and this a girl I did there. But she no want nobody. You understand?
But sis, our past is the past now. People and people can do and whatever. Now I'm my girl now. You know what I mean? So I don't really care about our past.
It look like no care when me tell her say the man say it look like you not understand. A mistake me make and say she and him did there. Then still there until to the day. First of all, the man let me know point blank say that the girl that they plan for married, the man, you know, and you is the man. You. Him a plan for married you, and as soon as she married you, she a go divorce you and take everything. Everything she a take. She not left you with nothing.
Sis, I know say you against this marriage thing from day one, you know. You understand? You're sure, you're concrete, and what you're saying to me is true?
Sign, seal, and deliver. Me I tell her say the man tell me, bro. The man tell me say the girl a plan for marry you.
Sis, me not believe not what you tell me so right, you know.
No, true. You don't believe me?
Because from day one, I know you don't like her, you know. And me don't tell you
I
that
don't
girl.
like me not like her. Me just cannot take our spirit. Our spirit
Sis,
and my spirit don't match.
but my spirit,
A matter of fact, I told me never tell her for a long time, so me see her with multiple men already. Different man. And when me and her talk about it, she tell me say her relative them.
you know what, sis? Listen, me love you and everything. Me appreciate you give me the camera and everything for run off. I appreciate the suit, everything, but you know what? You better if you just go on. Me don't bother want you to be the best man. You understand? Me appreciate you, but you see this thing, you're not with this thing from day one. So just go on, sis.
Okay, all
Just go
right.
on.
When your wife come, ask her about it. Leave it to your wife.
Babe, where's everybody?
What? Right now, B. Me have to run with my sister, you know.
Why?
She say, Liar Burnskin, turn up at the car mart. And Liar Burnskin tell her, say, you and him used today.
Used to that in the past, what that's have to do
You
with now?
understand? Yeah, man. And she said, Liar Burnskin say, you a plan to take away everything from me after the wedding. You understand? Yeah, man. So, right now, me know say my sister not really with you from day one now. So, all of them something what she tell me, I want to know if it's true.
You say it yourself, she's not with me, she don't like me. Of course I lie. Oh, him would know all of them information if you tell her. Hmm?
Well, I tell you honest truth still now. You see the car mart and all the car them, everything we see with, I my sister them. So the little prenup, what me that talk to you about the other day, never really have nothing. You understand? So whatever happened,
You just misunderstood me.
no, me not mess with you, man.
So what you mean, none of yours?
My sister own all of them.
So why you never said that from day one?
No, you never ask me no question. You never get in no detail. No.
I assume see you're in because you did a pose as the boss.
Well, you know how it go, you know.
Well, I
You have to
don't
look,
know how it goes.
you have to look really attractive when you're at a business place, you know.
Either way, thumbs up to your sister because she actually do me a favor. Save me all the trouble.
What kind of trouble?
It's a good thing everybody around
So you never really love me?
doesn't matter. Me gonna call Momo and make sure know say me I go home. So just take care of yourself. Okay, Shalon?
Hello, sis. Where there? Hi, sis. You know, say everything when that tell me say true. Yeah, man. That girl they just want me some money, you know. And may I apologize in advance for disrespect you like that, you know. We should not listen to you. I'm really sorry. So right now, I just you me have.
I understand. Apology accepted, but you should have listened to me. As you say, you should have listened to me. More while in a real life, you have to understand that some a we woman don't need the man them, we just need what they have. And once you cannot give it to some of us, gone we gone. You understand? But don't worry yourself. It don't happen like that already. Me know you feel down, you feel very sad. I'm sorry if you know that this really happened on the day of your wedding. On your wedding day, my brother. So me know how your heart I cry out right now. I understand the sadness and I can hear it in your voice. But don't worry about it. Matter of fact, I'm going to give you a car for yourself. And I'm going to make you run off the car mat.
Yeah?
Yes. So
Why?
any one of the car them you see what you like, just show me. I'm going to just make you sign up your name and everything on the paper and give you the papers and everything for it. I go yours.
Why, sis, you always know who put a smile on my face, you know.
Anyway, come me carry go have dinner. Anything with on the menu where you feel like you want, Just choose it. I'll pay for it. Don't worry about it.
All
You
right, sis.
understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So come on.
Hey, it's been quite a while since I've seen you smile. Take time for yourself, or say it's good to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together for now or forever. Yeah, baby, it's on tonight. 'Cause life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. One more again. Hey, you don't need
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Alright, so I don't know. If you're hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means that you watch the video to the end. And for the persons who are new to the channel, you might never know who that brother you be, but let me introduce him. For the persons who been a long time subscriber, I talk about from the beginning of when we just start, 12 years ago, you would have recognized the face.
Yeah.
Original Stain, Jermaine. You see me, I say, a long time we not film with him. He has not been here in Jamaica for a long time, and you don't know him just have to come link up with me and do a one movie, and we appreciate it. And we want to make people know, say, not just because you not see a whole heap of people from long time, we and them still link, but it's just the right time. So, I don't know, you want to say something to them, Stain?
Yeah, man. You don't know, you know, Richard Brown film, you know. And guess what? You see, this thing here, we started long time. Until today, the thing is getting stronger and stronger. So, thank you guys for all the support, you know. And keep subscribe and everything. And keep support the thing. We guys appreciate everything, left, right, and center. And it's not only in Jamaica this thing is big, you know. In Canada, all over the world.
Yeah, man. You hear inside? Because if you're a Jamaican and him can tell you, in a film part of the world where I'm there, a whole heap of people tune into the thing and I show love and support. So I want to say thank you very much and continue to show support while we continue to go and put in the work. So this is just one of them. So enjoy the movie. If you watch it already, watch it again or watch some more. Big up on yourself.
Again and again. Respect.
All right, good. All right, so if you're in the market for a brand new vehicle, Faro Auto Import, when you check him out, I'm located in Amity in Westmoreland. Because you don't know, we just decide so we just want to film a scene and we just pop up at the boss place and him not even hesitate. Him say, "I'm doing the man." So we just shot a scene right there so, and we appreciate that. So we tell people say if you want a vehicle, link up the boss man and make sure so when you link him up, tell him say Richard Brown Films, you know, watch, you see the advertisement and you decide say, yo, oh no, I call, make a call and call him. He have a wide variety of vehicle from Voxy to Honda to Mark X, you name it, him have it. So link him up. Faro